serve in Northern Virginia. I'm gonna go for a little hike. Done this hike several times before, but not from this trail, so I'm gonna explore this other side of the park. Let me show you around this area. It's quite nice. I'm also testing out this new camera, so we'll see what happens. Check it out. Real nice. It's about 41 degrees today, so not too cold, but not too warm. It's been raining for the last few days, so it's the first time I can get out for a hike. So I hope you guys enjoy the video. Let me know what you guys think. I'm based out of Virginia, so I do a lot of hikes in the Northern Virginia area. This is what that I have to work with. Small little hills, not huge mountains like out west, but still beautiful out here. It's pretty chilly today. I didn't realize it was going to be a little this cold. By the water it feels a little colder. So we came up here on this crossing, and I want to show you guys this cool little crossing of the creek. There we go. Got a little bit of a creek going over here. And here's the crossing. Let's try to make it across without... it doesn't look like the stones are wet, so it should be okay. Look at the water. Looks real nice. How beautiful. I don't know about you guys, but my favorite types of hikes are the ones that go along a water stream or a river. I seem to enjoy those quite a lot. I mean, I do like hiking in areas where there is no rivers, but I just enjoy them a little bit more when there is some water involved. It's nice to see a little bit of water flowing. And just a few weeks ago I came down here, and the weather had been so cold that this little creek was frozen over, and it remained frozen over for about 3 weeks. But now it's flowing again, and hopefully it's a sign that the spring is coming. Hopefully we got another month or so of wintry weather, but we're almost out of the winter. Out of winter and into the good times. Spring and fall are my favorite times of the year. Oh no. Just the weather seems to be perfect. Anywho, I'll bring you guys back in a few minutes. A little bit of an incline over here. God damn. Even though I was gonna be hiking up this side of the mountain, it's not that bad. I'm just a little out of shape, or a lot out of shape. Who knows? I should get out and walk a little bit more, I guess. But hey, being out here today counts. So here we go. This is the part that I'm familiar with. There's There's about 5 or so trails that you can take to come all the way over here. And I chose, I believe it was the light blue trail. It's in the second parking lot. So, very short hike. Very easy hike to come all the way out here. So this is a preserve. It was created not too long ago, a couple decades ago. And the locals were trying to protect it from a developer who wanted to build some mansions on this land, but community worked seemed to have stopped them, and now we can enjoy this for quite some time. Check out these trees right here. Wow, they are super tall, huge. Wow, those are nice tulip poplars. Very nice trees. And here we are coming down this little hill now, and what you see out there, that's the Potomac River. It's huge. One thing though I don't understand is they don't allow any swimming whatsoever around here, which I guess the river is kind of dangerous. So I guess also it's kind of dirty, so I don't know if you would want to get in there. But it's there. Alright. I'm gonna try to make it down this damn hill without falling, so bring you guys back. So we made it all the way down without dying. That was good. And it looks like all the rain that we've had has made this river a little crazy and scary. Let me show you right now what I mean. Hold on. Check it out. It's wild. It is raging. It is pretty swollen up, going up on the banks. And yeah, I imagine it's going to take a couple days before the water gets clear again. Just because it's so raging. But hopefully we can get a picture of the falls, because that's what I came here down for. And dang, this thing is overpowering. Alright, so there's a way down there, but hopefully I don't die in the process trying to show you guys this area. So let's see. Let's go down here. Go down here and show you what this is all about. Okay. Looking pretty precarious over here, but let's try to make it down by these roots. See what the heck is going on. Oh yeah, here we are. And voila guys, here you go. This is Scott Run Falls. Isn't that beautiful? Totally worth it. I could sit here and watch this for days. And, just up from here, it's Great Falls. And then check out the river. Check out that flow. You can't really see it over here, but look, there's a little tree line right there, and those trees are totally submerged underwater. And it looks like there's some more overflown areas over there. It looks good though. It's really nice and beautiful, peaceful. Check out that little island over there. Isn't that cool? Really cool. Anyways, let me bring you back to this area so you guys can see this. Check that out. I wish you could go behind the falls, but there's signs that said you can't go over there. I bet you a lot of people do anyways. But I'm not gonna risk it today. In the summer I want to come over here and do some fishing, because it's pretty nice. Check out this rock formation over here. And this tree. I don't know about perception, but that is a huge tree. You can't really tell on camera, but it is ginormous. And there's rocks over here. Huge rocks sticking out of the side of the mountain. Real nice. Last time I took this trail, I veered off a little bit off the trail, and I had to do a big old loop. So I got kind of lost, I guess, but I found my way back. It wasn't that bad. I just missed a little trail marker and I kept on going. It took me a little farther than I wanted to, but this time I'm just gonna do a U and turn around. Okay, there goes that crazy helicopter. There's a lot of helicopters here. We're near the Pentagon and DC, so we have a lot of aircraft moving in and out. Plus, not to mention the major airports around here too, so it's not the most quiet hike I've ever been on, but quite nice. Anyways, guys, hope you liked this video. Let me know what you would like to see in the future, and yeah, if there are any other hikes in the area that you would like me to show, just let me know and I'll try to get to them. Alright, catch you guys on the next one.